Hello, welcome. All right, let's take a look at this next example. Again, step by step, start with a domain, denominator not equal to 0. There's our domain. And so just a brief review, these are either vertical asymptote or whole. They are not an x-intercept, like that. So our x-intercepts are from the numerator, and we'll set it equal to 0 and see that there are not any x-intercepts in this particular one. Dun, 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 dun. Wholes are vertical asymptotes. So we factored numerator, denominator in the first two steps. So simplify it by canceling the common factor. And we've removed one of the factors that caused us to divide by 0. So the remaining factor in the denominator is the vertical asymptote. There you go. Always write those as equations, as I do right there. And then plug in the other value to determine the coordinates of the whole. So what was that being? -3. And we see that this is looks like it might be an x-intercept, but it's an open dot. So it's passing through that x-axis, but this has got an open dot. So it's masquerading. That's why we had that no x-intercept earlier. All right, there's our coordinates. And y-intercept, plug a 0 in. Oop. Out of order there. That's okay. So plug the 0 in the original or the simplified, and we've got the coordinates of the y-intercept. Horizontal slant asymptote, degrees are the same. So coefficient, ratio of that coefficient, y equals 1, is that. Plot the points and asymptotes and holes that are there. So this one's a little bit different than the other one. Our vertical asymptote has separated it left and right. And so there's part of the graph on the left, part of the graph on the right. On the left of the vertical asymptote, we've got a whole and a y-intercept, and they're going to connect to each other, and the asymptotes are going to pull the graph towards them. Whereas on the right side of the vertical asymptote, we've got nothing. And that's an important thing, because there's not an x-intercept. So I know it has to be above the horizontal asymptote. I don't have to test anything. If you're not sure, pick a test value, plug it in, see what happens, like that. Oop, I'm still